With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, our question is match the columns. Column 1 A, GEAC, B PCR, C insulin, D antibiotic resistance gene. Column 2nd, first Eli Lilly, second Herbert Boer, third in vitro DNA synthesis, fourth validity of GM research, and the options are A fourth, B third, C first, D second, A fourth, B third, C second, D first, A third, B fourth, C first, D second, A third, B fourth, C second, D first. So the first one is GEAC. A is GEAC, and GEAC stands for Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Approval Committee. Approval Committee. And the committee have set certain rules and guidelines for the approval of GMO for genetically modified organisms. Genetically modified organisms, and this committee basically checks the validity of genetically modified research to test the genetically modified organism products before release in the market, and to control the use of the GMO crops in fields without harm in the environment. So the correct option for A is fourth, validity of GM research. Now the second is PCR. B is PCR. Now PCR stands for polymerase chain reaction. Polymerase chain reaction, and it is for the in vitro replication of specific DNA sequences using the thermostable DNA polymerase. So PCR is a technique of in vitro DNA synthesis, DNA amplification. So the correct option for B PCR is third, in vitro DNA synthesis. Now the third one is insulin. C is insulin. So the correct option for insulin is first, Eli Lilly, as in 1983, Eli Lilly, an American company, prepared the two DNA sequences corresponding to A and B chains of human insulin and introduced them in the plasmids of E. coli to produce insulin chains to form human insulin. So that is why the correct option for insulin, C, is Eli Lilly. Now the last one is antibiotic resistance gene, D, antibiotic resistance gene. So the correct option for this is Herbert Boer. Herbert Boer. Second, as Stanley Cohen. Stanley Cohen and Herbert Boer. Herbert Boer isolated an antibiotic resistance gene by cutting out a piece of DNA from a plasmid which was responsible for conferring antibiotic resistance in the year 1972. So the correct match for this is antibiotic resistance gene. Herbert Boer is the correct match for this. So the correct option here is A fourth, B third, C first, and D second is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.